US President Donald Trump dropped a bombshell justifying his decision to order nuclear tests by the United States of America for the first time since 1992, claiming countries like Pakistan, North Korea, China and Russia have been carrying out nuclear tests, but since they're not democracies, the world does not hear of these tests. The US, incidentally, is the only country in the world to have dropped a nuclear bomb twice, on the 6th and the 9th of August in 1945, over Hiroshima and Nagasaki in the Second World War. The US last conducted a nuclear test in 1991. But do we see a mushroom cloud over the Nevada desert once again, either in 2025 or 2026, especially after Russia just launched its newest nuclear submarine, the Khabarovsk, designed to carry out underwater nuclear drone Poseidon, also known as the Doomsday Missile.
Saying it. I mean, I know exactly what we're doing, where we're doing it, but other countries are doing it, and if other countries do it, we do it.
US President Donald Trump has dropped a bombshell. Trump's recent interview has set alarm bells ringing across the globe. The US Army Commander-in-Chief claimed nuclear-armed nations are secretly testing weapons deep underground. He did not stop there, but also claimed that India and Pakistan were on the brink of a nuclear war, and according to him, he was the one who stopped it. Trump claimed US does not necessarily know what nuclear powers are testing, but asserted the testing is being done. Now, seismic agencies across the world would strongly disagree. Global sensors are designed to pick up exactly those vibrations. India hasn't conducted a nuclear test since Pokhran in 1998, sticking to a unilateral moratorium. Today, India has roughly 180 nuclear warheads, Pakistan about 170. China, which has nearly 600, is racing towards 1,000 by 2030. New Delhi isn't reacting to Trump's comments, but one thing is clear: if China is surging, Pakistan is shadowing and America is shifting. India may soon have to decide whether its nuclear silence still serves national security or if it's time to change strategy. Bureau Report, India Today.